Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English at Home. We are learning adjective. In previous videos, we have learned the types of adjective. In today's session, we are learning the formation of adjective, means how to form the adjective from other words. Now we know that adjective is the word that describes a noun. Adjective tells the quality of a noun. Adjective gives the information of the noun. See the example. I have a strong memory. Here, memory is the noun and the word strong, it tells the quality of this noun memory. It describes the noun memory. Here the word strong is used before the noun. It is attributive adjective that is used before the noun or tells the quality of the noun. See the second sentence. My memory is strong. Here again the memory is noun and the word strong is the adjective. But it is not used before the noun. It is used in the predicate part of the sentence, verb part of the sentence. So here the adjective strong is a predicative adjective. So adjective, sometimes it is a single word. Now see the examples. Now look at these examples. Clever student, smartphone, brave soldier, green grass, round table, real story, clean surface, naughty boy, gentleman, tall building. In these examples, the words student, phone, soldier, grass, table, story, surface, boy, man and building. These are nouns, and the words clever, smart, brave, green, round, real, clean, naughty, gentle, tall, they are used before these nouns. So all these words, they are adjectives, and these adjectives are the single words. They are the single words. So just we have seen the list of adjective as a single word. We also use these types of adjective. Faithful. Faith is a noun and FUL is added to faith. So faithful is the adjective. Red is the adjective and ISH is added to form a new adjective, that is reddish. Talkative. Talk is the verb and IV is added to form a new adjective. So these adjectives, faithful, reddish, talkative, they are formed by adding these letter or letters, letter or group of letters to form new adjective. FUL, ISH, IVE, they are added after these words. So they are called as suffix. So what are suffix? Suffix are letter or group of letters. They are added after the word to form a new word. Here FUL is a suffix, ISH is a suffix, IV is a suffix. See these adjective, examples of adjective. Faithful man, man is the noun, faithful is the adjective. Reddish eyes, eyes is the noun, reddish is the adjective. Talkative boy, boy is the noun, talkative is the adjective. So adjectives are formed by adding the suffix, suffix that is a letter or group of letters that is added after the word. So here we have seen these three examples. Adjective can be formed from the noun by adding the suffix. Adjective also can be formed by adding suffix to the adjective itself. Adjective can be formed by adding the suffix to the verb. So let's see the examples of different suffixes, how they are added to the nouns, verbs and adjective to form the new adjective or new words. So the word faithful, reddish, talkative. Faith is a noun and FUL is added to form a new adjective. Reddish, ISH is added to the word red to form a new adjective. IV is added to the verb talk and to form the new adjective, that is talkative. So these FUL, ISH, IVE, these are suffix. So what is a suffix? Suffix is a letter or group of letters which is added at the end of the word to form a new word. So adjectives are formed by adding the suffix, by adding the suffix to the noun, by adding the suffix to the verb, by adding the suffix to the adjective. Now let's learn the list of the suffix which are added to the noun to form the adjective. So we have seen the suffix are added to form the new word. So here is the list of suffix which are added to the noun to form the adjective. The first one, y. Y is added to the noun dust and the adjective dusty is formed. AL. AL is added to the noun nation, the adjective national is formed. IAL is added to the noun office and official adjective is formed. LY is added to the noun man and the adjective manly is formed. He has a manly voice. ISH is added to the noun child and the adjective childish is formed. See some more examples of suffix which are added to the noun to form the adjective. Now see some more examples of suffix which are added to the noun to form the adjective. That is IC. IC is added to the noun energy and the adjective energetic is formed. FUL is added to the noun beauty, the adjective beautiful is formed. Some is added to the noun quarrel. Quarrelsome is the adjective. Less is added to the noun wire and the wireless adjective is formed. Wireless message. En is added to the noun gold and the adjective golden is formed. See some more examples of suffix which are added to the noun to form the adjectives. Now see few more examples of suffix which are added to the noun to form the adjective. Able. Able is added to the noun fashion, the adjective fashionable is formed. OUS is added to the noun fame and the adjective famous is formed. ING is added to the noun interest and the adjective interesting is formed. ED is added to the noun age and the adjective aged is formed. So suffix, all these suffix are added to the noun to form the adjective. Now let us learn how these adjectives which are formed from adding the suffix to the noun in the sentence. See the few examples of suffix which are added to the noun to form the adjective. Now see the sentences of adjectives which are formed from the noun. See the first sentence. I have interest in playing tabla. Here interest is the noun. In second sentence, it is an interesting story. So here the word interesting or adjective interesting is formed from the noun interest by adding the suffix ing. In this sentence, the word story is a noun and the word interesting describes the noun story. So interesting is the adjective formed from the noun interest by adding the suffix ing. Third sentence, I am not working for name and fame. Here fame is the noun. In fourth sentence, Wings of Fire is a famous book. So here famous is the adjective. It is formed from the noun fame by adding the suffix ous. In this sentence, book is the noun and the word famous describes the noun book. So these words interesting, famous, these are adjectives. They are formed from the noun interest and fame. Now adjectives are formed by adding the suffix to the verb. Now here is the list of suffix which are added to the verb to form the adjective. So what is a verb? Verb is a word that shows our action. The action word is called as verb. Now see the first, able. The suffix able is added to the verb enjoy and the adjective enjoyable is formed. The suffix al is added to the verb arrive and the adjective arrival is formed. The suffix ous is added to the verb study and the studious adjective is formed. The suffix full is added to the verb help and the adjective helpful is formed. The suffix less is added to the verb sleep and the adjective sleepless is formed. Let's see some more examples of suffix which are added to the verb to form the adjectives. Now see few more examples of adjectives which are formed from the verbs. See, the suffix ive, it is added to the verb create and the adjective creative is formed. The suffix ing is added to the verb wash and the adjective washing is formed, washing machine. The suffix ed is added to the verb fry and the adjective fried is formed, fried egg. Now when the word ends with y, it changes into I and then the suffix ed is added. Next, en, the suffix en is added to the verb hide and the adjective hidden is formed. So here all these suffixes are added to the verb to form the adjective. Now let's see the sentences of adjectives which are formed from the verbs. Now see the sentences of adjectives which are formed from the verbs. First one, break the chalk in two pieces. Break is a verb, it shows the action. Second, this is a broken glass. Broken is the adjective which is formed from the verb break. Broken glass, the adjective broken, it describes the noun glass. Here it is an adjective. In third sentence, fry the onions till it get brown. So fry is a verb. In fourth sentence, I like fried rice. So here the adjective fried, it is formed from the verb fry. Fried rice, here the adjective fried, it describes the noun rice. So it is an adjective. In fifth sentence, we will manage without any support. So here manage, again it is a verb, shows the action. In sixth sentence, we divided the students in manageable groups. So here manageable is the adjective which is formed from the verb manage. In this sentence, manageable, it describes the noun groups. So manageable is the adjective. So fried, manageable and broken, these are the adjectives which are formed from the verbs. Now the adjectives can be formed from the adjective itself. See the examples. The suffix ish is added to the adjective white and the new adjective whitish is formed. The suffix ly is added to the adjective elder and the adjective elderly is formed. The suffix al is added to the adjective historic and the adjective historical is formed. See few more examples of suffix which are added to the adjective to form the adjective. Some words are added as a suffix to form adjective from the adjective. For example, the word some is added to the adjective whole and the new adjective wholesome is formed. The word fold is added to the adjective three and the adjective threefold is formed. The word ward is added to the adjective back and the adjective backward is formed. So here the words some, fold, ward, they are added to the adjective as a suffix to form these new adjectives. Now see the sentences, adjectives which are formed from the adjective. The first one, he is my elder brother. Here elder is the adjective, it describes the noun brother. In second sentence, elderly people need special care. Here elderly is the adjective which is formed from the adjective elder. Elderly describes the noun people. In third sentence, my umbrella has three folds. Here the adjective three it describes the noun fold. In fourth sentence, I have a threefold umbrella. So threefold is the adjective formed from the adjective three by adding the word fold as a suffix. Threefold describes the noun umbrella. In fifth sentence, here is the back door. Back is the adjective describes the noun door. In sixth sentence, the soldiers started their backward journey. Here backward is the adjective. It is formed from the adjective back by adding the word ward as a suffix here. Backward, this adjective describes the noun journey. So these are the sentences or the examples. Adjective formed from the adjective. To watch my videos regularly, do subscribe it. Today we have learned the formation of adjective. Formation of adjective from noun, verb or other adjective by adding these suffixes y, al, ial, ly, ish, ic, ful, less, some, en, able, ous, ing, ed, ive, fold, what. For your knowledge, do try to collect more examples of adjective by adding these suffixes to the noun, verb and other adjective and practice them. If you like my videos, do like it, subscribe it and share it.